Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can log out from Bybit. So it is a really simple process and they've made it extremely simple. So what you have to do is this is first of all your home screen. You can see all of these options above, but here you want to come on your profile icon where you'll see your profile account security details. Here if you go at the bottom, you'll see a red logout button. So what you need to do is you need to press on this logout button and it has logged you out. Now you can sign up if you want to create a new account. You can log in using another username. If you want to log in with the same account again, you can do that. You can use your phone, you can use a QR code as well, but you've been logged out of your official account. So this is the method that you need to follow if you want to log out of your account. From there, the logging in account process is pretty simple. You need to follow the same method and you just need to simply write an email and password. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.